Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do the mark, release and recapture practical using pasta. So you get yourself a bag of pasta and a pencil. So it doesn't really matter how much you've got, however much you've got. This is a whole 500 gram bag of pasta. So this is my population, and each individual piece of pasta represents one individual in the population. Okay, so what we're going to do is try and use this equation to estimate the size of this population. I haven't counted it beforehand, so I don't know what the population size is. So I'm going to use this to estimate it. So what I'm going to do is take a handful of pasta. Okay, so that's my first sample. So that's my S1, and I'm going to mark these in some way so that I will be able to recognize them in the second round of sampling. Okay, so I'm just marking them with a pencil line, and then you can eat them afterwards because this bit of pencil's not going to do you any harm. It'll probably come off in the water. Okay, so I'm going to mark these up. I also need to count them, so I'll do that in a sec. And then I'll put them back into the population and mix up the bag of pasta. Okay, so I've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So my S1 is 22. Okay, I'm going to put those back in, and then I'm going to mix up the pasta and try and make sure they're nice and mixed, because we want an even chance, an unbiased second sample, so we want to make sure that those are evenly mixed back into the population. Okay, so now I'm going to take a second sample. This is going to be my S2. So again, I'm just going to take a handful, and I want to see how many of those are marked. Okay, I've got 1. So the total in the second sample is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. And actually I can see that there are 2 that are marked. So I've got 21 in the second sample, and the number of marked individuals in the second sample is 2. Okay, so you can work that out. I haven't got a calculator handy. That would be the estimate of my population size. Okay, so then what I want you to do is to do 4 more rounds of sampling. So you don't need to mark anymore. You just need to put those back. Give it another mix. And then take another sample. Okay, so this number would stay the same. You take a second sample. How many of those are marked? Might be 2, might be less, might be more. And then that will give you another population estimate. So you're going to get 5 estimates of the population size so that you can work out a mean of your population using this method. Okay?